Before I get you your snack today, you need to say one nice thing about me.
That's not fair! I don't have anything nice to say about you!
I'll go first. Jimmy, you're good at math.
Duh! How did you know that?
Your mom showed me some of your tests. She's proud of you.
Ew! Please don't make me barf!
One nice thing, Jimmy.
You're ugly. You're annoying. I can't do this. It's too hard.
Take a deep breath. You've got this.
You're wearing black, and black is my favorite color.
Good. Snack today is hummus and carrots. Sugar makes you worse.
I hate you.